I'm Henrik Stefansson from Denmark. I used to row in the lightweight single scull, and now I'm rowing in the heavyweight single scull, and that's quite a big challenge to go with these fast, heavy guys, but it's also pretty fun to go and row against those guys and have some real tough races on the course. So that's a nice. To go up the category from lightweight to heavyweight, I've put on some weight. Now I'm weighing 81 kilos. That's a lot more than during the summer seasons as a lightweight, but it's quite the same as a normal winter weight for me. So I haven't done a lot to put on weights for this event. I just train as I'm used to and eat a little more, just what I feel. My goal for London, that's to go in the final. Just hold on to the dream and keep training hard. And as long as they love the sport, that should take them a good step towards the dream.